Hi, and welcome back to QuizzyQuest. Can you answer all questions correctly? Please subscribe and like to support the channel. What is the name of the coffee shop where the characters frequently hang out in Friends? Is it A, Central Perk, B, Java Joe's, or C, The Daily Grind? It is A, Central Perk. What type of natural feature is Jökulsárlón in Iceland? Is it A, hot spring, B, volcano, or C, glacier lagoon? It is C, glacier lagoon. What was the main consequence of the Indian Removal Act that led to the Trail of Tears in the 1830s? Is it A, treaty negotiation, B, land purchase, or C, forced relocation? It is C, forced relocation. Which television series did Selena Gomez produce and star in that focuses on a group of friends solving a murder mystery? Is it A, Breaking Bad, B, Friends, or C, Only Murders in the Building? It is C, Only Murders in the Building. What social media platform did Ben Silbermann co-found that focuses on visual content sharing? Is it A, Pinterest, B, Instagram, or C, Snapchat? It is A, Pinterest. What is the primary focus of the Australian National University, ANU? Is it A, military studies, B, technical training, or C, research or higher education? It is C, research or higher education. Which band is Billie Joe Armstrong famously known for being the lead vocalist of? Is it A, Fall Out Boy, B, Blink-182, or C, Green Day? It is C, Green Day. What is the primary ingredient used to make traditional soy sauce? Is it A, wheat, B, soybeans, or C, rice? It is B, soybeans. What position does Yoon Suk-yeol currently hold in South Korea? Is it A, Prime Minister, B, President, or C, Minister of Defense? It is B, President. What is Captain Ahab primarily known for in the novel by Herman Melville? Is it A, hunting the white whale, B, sailing the Titanic, or C, exploring the Arctic? It is A, hunting the white whale. Which popular video platform is Casey Neistat known for using to share his vlogs? Is it A, Vimeo, B, YouTube, or C, TikTok? It is B, YouTube. Which hit song is Lil Nas X known for that popularized the genre of country rap? Is it A, Panini, B, Montero, or C, Old Town Road? It is C, Old Town Road. What is the main occupation of the character Lucifer Morningstar in the TV series Lucifer? Is it A, nightclub owner, B, police detective, or C, lawyer? It is A, nightclub owner. What is the primary purpose of a mutual fund? Is it A, selling insurance products, B, providing personal loans, or C, pooling money for investments? It is C, pooling money for investments. What is the main reason for human migration throughout history? Is it A, economic opportunity, B, environmental disasters, or C, cultural exchange? It is A, economic opportunity. What is fog primarily made up of? Is it A, smoke particles, B, water droplets, or C, dust particles? It is B, water droplets. Which philosophical approach emphasizes knowledge derived from sensory experience? Is it A, rationalism, B, empiricism, or C, idealism? It is B, empiricism. What philosophical concept is John Stuart Mill best known for advocating? Is it A, utilitarianism, B, deontology, or C, rationalism? It is A, utilitarianism. What position did Gabriel Boric assume as a notable political leader in Chile? Is it A, senator, B, president, or C, mayor? It is B, president. Which sculpture is Michelangelo famous for creating that depicts a biblical figure with a slingshot? Is it A, Venus, B, David, or C, Zeus? It is B, David. What is a triggered send campaign? Is it A, email list, B, direct marketing, or C, automated mailing? It is C, automated mailing. What is the main purpose of translation in language studies? Is it A, editing videos, B, writing poetry, or C, converting text from one language to another? It is C, converting text from one language to another. Which Canadian territory does Baffin Island belong to? Is it A, Northwest Territories, B, Yukon, or C, Nunavut? It is C, Nunavut. What is the primary purpose of a corporate bond? Is it A, buy stocks, B, raise capital, or C, pay dividends? It is B, raise capital. What is the main event type that a decathlon consists of? Is it A, gymnastics, B, swimming, or C, track and field? It is C, track and field. What is the capital city of Mozambique? Is it A, Beira, B, Maputo, or C, Nampula? It is B, Maputo. What is the primary purpose of Zoom video conferencing? Is it A, online shopping, B, video calls, or C, social networking? It is B, video calls. What was the main purpose of Zheng He's maritime expeditions during the Ming Dynasty? Is it A, military conquest, B, trade and diplomacy, or C, exploration of new lands? It is B, trade and diplomacy. What is Vienna known for being the capital city of? Is it A, Austria, B, Switzerland, or C, Hungary? It is A, Austria. In which two countries does the Dniester River primarily flow? Is it A, Romania and Poland, B, Ukraine and Moldova, or C, Hungary and Slovakia? It is B, Ukraine and Moldova. What type of product is Tabasco known for producing? Is it A, hot sauce, B, mustard, or C, ketchup? It is A, hot sauce. Which Pacific atoll was used for nuclear testing during the Cold War? Is it A, Bikini Atoll, B, Midway Atoll, or C, Johnston Atoll? It is A, Bikini Atoll. What is the primary goal of the Black Lives Matter movement? Is it A, racial equality, B, environmental reform, or C, economic growth? It is A, racial equality. What is the primary function of a red blood cell in the human body? Is it A, blood clotting, B, oxygen transport, or C, immune response? It is B, oxygen transport. What are polar mesospheric clouds primarily composed of? Is it A, water vapor, B, ice crystals, or C, carbon dioxide? It is B, ice crystals. Who wrote the novel that The Godfather film is based on? Is it A, F. Scott Fitzgerald, B, Francis Ford Coppola, or C, Mario Puzo? It is C, Mario Puzo. What is the primary method of obtaining food used by filter feeders in aquatic environments? Is it A, straining particles from water, B, hunting small fish, or C, photosynthesis? It is A, straining particles from water. Which philosophical work is Voltaire best known for? Is it A, Candide, B, The Republic, or C, The Divine Comedy? It is A, Candide. What position does Mia Mottley hold as the leader of Barbados? Is it A, Governor General, B, Prime Minister, or C, Minister of Finance? It is B, Prime Minister. What is the name of the dance style characterized by its graceful movements and theatrical performances in ballet? Is it A, hip-hop, B, contemporary, or C, jazz? It is B, contemporary. What political party did Adolf Hitler lead in Germany? Is it A, Communist Party, B, Nazi Party, or C, Social Democratic Party? It is B, Nazi Party. What personal computer did IBM introduce in 1981 that became the industry standard? Is it A, IBM System 360, B, IBM ThinkPad, or C, IBM PC? It is C, IBM PC. What is a contrail primarily composed of? Is it A, ozone, B, carbon dioxide, or C, water vapor? It is C, water vapor. What phenomenon describes the change in frequency of a wave in relation to an observer moving relative to the source of the wave? Is it A, Compton effect, B, photoelectric effect, or C, Doppler effect? It is C, Doppler effect. Which empire did Genghis Khan found that became the largest contiguous empire in history? Is it A, Roman Empire, B, Ottoman Empire, or C, Mongol Empire? It is C, Mongol Empire. What is the primary meaning of the Italian word tutti in English? Is it A, some, B, all, or C, none? It is B, all. What type of molecular interaction is characterized by the attraction between polar molecules due to their dipoles? Is it A, van der Waals force, B, hydrogen bonding, or C, dipole-dipole interaction? It is C, dipole-dipole interaction. Which hit single from After Hours topped the Billboard Hot 100 in 2020? Is it A, Save Your Tears, B, Blinding Lights, or C, Heartless? It is B, Blinding Lights. What is the primary technique used in judo to throw an opponent? Is it A, suai-nage, B, karate chop, or C, taekwondo kick? It is A, suai-nage. What is the primary goal of the Ocean Cleanup Project? Is it A, mapping ocean currents, B, removing plastic from oceans, or C, protecting marine wildlife? It is B, removing plastic from oceans. If you enjoyed our quiz, feel free to donate via Super Thanks. Don't forget to follow us on Instagram and stay tuned for more exciting quizzes. See you next time on QuizzyQuest.